Hello guys. Today I will show you how you can download and install IObit Malware Fighter 7. And I will also give you license key free at the end of this video. So let's start. First go to the website of IObit and download the free version of the IObit Malware Fighter 7. The version I'm downloading is 7.6.0. So make sure you also have to download the same version to get work the license key. Now go to the location where you downloaded the setup software. Double click on that. Then install it like this. Now open the software. Here you can find the Enter key option. So now you have to download the text file from my video description. I will provide this link in the description. So just copy the key from the text file and paste it to the software. That's it. Now you have the full version of IObit Malware Fighter 7. Thanks for watching guys.